Welcome to my channel, Saw Logs Plastic Hubs. It's Slop in the shop time. So we get our little pig bucket out here with all our little scraps that we've got together for video and making your weekly video blog of what I'm doing. Sort of like pig slop in the old days. I hope you enjoy Slop in the shop. Please comment on these videos. And with no further ado, we're gonna grab the bucket, go feed the pig, grab your seat over and watch these pigs eat. Let's have a great time.
Well, you know, every once in a while you just have fun. I'm going to do a cut-off, cut some stuff off today with abrasive cut-off saw. I got two different cut-off wheels, and both of them, the bore size will not fit my cut-off saw, so I've got to make some bushings. First thing is, I go out to the old scrap pile, and we find us a little piece of mystery metal. Steel that's out there, it's got a little rust on it. Most of my stuff's stored outside, so there's some rust. So we're going to face this boy off and drill it and bore it and turn it to the bushing size we need to make. Cut it off so we can proceed with this project this morning. Basically, this is one of them things I've been meaning to do. Show you the project later because this is not enough for a full video. Probably go in the weekly slop video. I don't know who cut this, but the saw operator was pretty rough. It's crooked. Let me work on this and we'll bring you back. Everybody knows I do all my storage outside, so my material will get rusty. I'm just going to turn a little off. I got a little bin that I have my material in. Let me sit down and see what I need to do here. Alright, what I did is I'm breaking out something that I don't use very often. It's my digital calipers. And for this job I'm going to do, it's a perfect tool. What I'm going to do is more or less I measured the part, even though I got a size here, and I measured this size and then I measured the part, made this 0. So that way I don't have to do no math. Good for a old country boy. And we used 2 years ago when I first started in the trade, try another gear here. It's not wanting to participate this morning good. I got about a ½ inch to come off of this. So there's a lot, and I didn't clean the face up good. I noticed that. I'm just getting aggressive. My feeds or something today. The lathe just doesn't want to pull today. Maybe I'm just getting too aggressive with the grizzly. It doesn't like about 40 thousandths, 80 thousandths depth to cut. So I'm going to do a bunch of passes. I'll bring you back. Hey, I'm down to the last couple of passes. I'm within about 30 thousandths of my target here. This isn't nothing but a bushing for a cutoff wheel. Seems like the center sizes are different. Alright, let's check it. We're close. Before I'm going to take it out and have a check seal on it. Just in case I have to return it, we'll return it. back to the same spot. We still got to bore it and do some other stuff to it. So let's walk it over here and see. I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna use my center tool with this little bigger center drill today. I really want one. Center right. Maybe I got it hung out too far. Let me move it up a little bit. There it goes. It's wanting to wiggle just a little. We're going to drill this with one shot. I'm not going to do step drilling. So we'll drill it with a 9/16 to get it close, and then we're going to go. And then we're going to go in there and we're going to bore it. It's one of them little jobs you just got to do. I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm down to the last couple of passes here. I'm down to about 20 thou. So I'm going to try to split that. Now if I was trying to hit this to be a real precise bore, like something that's going in a press fit, this is a slide fit, so I'm just using the calipers and all. If I'm over by 1 thou or so, it's not going to matter, but I'm going to try to get this thing close to 0 as I can, because this other's a slide, so it just to make it life easier. Okay, I like about a little bit more. A couple more passes, we'll have it done. Trying to hold off and not try to get greedy. One of the biggest things of machining is getting greedy on a manual machine. I mean, well, even on CNCs, you got a lot of times, you got a lot of spring and stuff like that that'll get in there, and that can cause you headaches. So you learn over a period of years, about 6 1/2, 7 thousand switches. Like I say, these are a great big difference in these parts. I had 2 different cutoff wheels I picked up. One of them I got the other day because I forgot I had them. And the other one I had a while. The one I want to use is a Norton's, a 14 incher. And I guess they were I got a Craftsman saw for, I guess it was the different saws, and according to that, I'm dead nut. So guess what? We're going to let that ride. I think we should be all right. I hope I am. We'll see. I'll get this front board deburred and we'll cut it off. I'm back. Like me, I'm cutting pull the wrong lever to the wrong way. And that just don't work too well. I'm cutting OD with the cutoff tool. This isn't very thick, so it won't take for this a split second. Knock it off. There it is. Alright, I got this little ring I got to deal with. So we got to lightly chuck it and try to face it. So and not crush it. So that's gonna be fun. Let's see what happens. The little ring ain't gonna be very thick, so it shouldn't be very hard to deal with. Should just pop right off. So we'll go try it out. One bushel. This is the original, and this is the one I had to make to fit the wheels. Check the wheels, check everything, go see what we put. Okay, what I have here is a lot of these double-ended end mills that just won't work in a collet really good. So I've just had so many, and every time I grab one, I can't use it. Most of these end mills come off of eBay. I picked them up for basically, you know, really good prices. Bought them in lots of stuff off of eBay. So what I'm cut them in two. I wish I had a setup like Steve Summers, but I don't. The cut-off saw was just not going to get it, so we cut one of the bigger tools. Basically, I've got my waves covered up. I'm using my little Harbor Freight cut-off saw. This one's got a Norton wheel on it. That's one of the smaller ones. Now, folks, I got a horrible mess, obviously. So what I'm going to do before I take this rag up, which is going to be thrown away, I'm going to spray the damn leg down back here with brake cleaner. That'll get this dust liquefied, so it won't be in. I'll have to get another rag to hold over my wrench. Really, I need to move that wrench somewhere else, obviously. That's what that rag's been there for, is kind of wondering so my wrench won't get dirty. Probably a waste of brake cleaner, but this way all that grinding dirt go down towards the bottom clumped. I don't know if I got another can. I think I bought 3 cans when I bought brake cleaner. If I don't, I'll go get some more. Walmart's got plenty of it. This way I get all that loose dust pushed down. Like my chuck. Now I just clean the chuck without having to rub on it. That way that all that nastiness from that grind is just contained right there. And I'll just take me a rag and just wipe it off there, and I'll get rid of the rest of it. My chuck sort of got dirty on it. It's got little stains and grease and stuff on it from just having oil put on it. Nice anyway, it's just sort of sticky, but just get rid of all that, and then I'll just wipe these ways off real good. Now that I've done that, clean up all these, wipe these ways off. Just wipe the back of this off now a little bit to get rid of any loose dust. And right down here, some dust. It's where the grinding dirt and grit piled up at the bottom, and we've got rid of most of it. So that little project's out of the way. Sad day in the shop. My bow door died today. It just literally died. I was using it to grind up the parts that I was using, and it just blowed up. Now my bow door is only a $25 grinder. I bought it in the auction, cleaned it up, made the stands. So it's not like I got, I'm not going to take it to be rebuilt. I'm going to just take it apart, take the wheels and nuts and everything off of it, and I actually probably move my Chinese grinder over here and just move it over out so I can get to it better. Take the wheels off and use them on another machine. So I'm a little disappointed, but that's part of life. I hope you enjoyed our weekly session of feeding the pig here at Slop in the shop. Now that the pig's fat and happy, we'll get on a little bit of business. These videos are always a copyright production of James Dedman, Sawlogs Plastic Hub, for your enjoyment here on YouTube. With that being said, I also like to encourage every one of you, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, click the little bell. It doesn't cost anything. There's no financial cost out of your pocket. All you got to be doing is willing to put up watching my videos. Outside of that, I hope you enjoyed today's Slop in the Shop. We will be back next week with you another Slop in the Shop. And until next week on Slop in the Shop or another one of our videos, good day, and we will see you in the next video.